The following is a video guide to help you install any bidet seat to your toilet quickly and easily. Before ordering, you should take a couple measurements to ensure a proper fit. First, measure behind your mounting holes for 1 3/4 inches or more of clearance. If you have this clearance or more, all the bidets in our store will fit your toilet. Next, measure the distance from the mounting holes to the very front outside edge of your toilet. If your measurement is 17 inches or less, you should order a round size bidet. If your measurement is 17.5 inches or more, you should order an elongated size bidet. With your toilet seat removed like we've done here, place your bidet seat's mounting bracket over the mounting holes. Then insert the guide rails on each side of the bracket. Next, take the bolts and drop them through the guide rails. The guide rails allow you to move the mounting bracket more forwards or more backwards so you can adjust the bidet to your toilet. Secure the bottom of the bolts by fastening the nuts. Once the mounting bracket is secure, the bidet slides on and latches onto the toilet. Next, turn off the angle stop behind your toilet, which shuts off the water supply. Flush your toilet to empty the water tank. Unscrew the supply hose from the bottom of your toilet and fasten the T connection, which comes included. The T connection is shaped like the letter T and splits the water supply. One way will continue to your toilet tank and the other way will go to the bidet. Once secure, the next step is to reattach the supply hose to the bottom end of the T connection. Also included with your shipment is a bidet hose, which connects to the side opening of the T. Then, attach the other end of the bidet hose to the inlet on the bidet seat, which completes the water connection. If you want to use an optional water filter, connect the water filter directly onto the T, and then connect both ends of the bidet hose the same way as you did before. Once you've made sure that all connections are tight, open the angle stop and check for leaks. The last thing to do is to plug your bidet into a nearby outlet. Thanks for watching this Bidets Plus video on how to install a bidet toilet seat. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. For more information on our bidet products, come visit us at bidetsplus.com.